A hyperlink allows you to jump to another document or location by clicking on the hyperlink that you have made. In this tip, I'm going to show you how to add a hyperlink that will take you to a document, how to add a hyperlink that will take you to a web page, and how to add a hyperlink that will take you to a specific tab or cell within Excel. I'll also show you how to edit and delete a hyperlink. In Excel, select the cell that you want to create a hyperlink in. This means when we click on that link, it will take us to our other location. In this example, we are going to use A1 shopping list. Right-click in the cell and select hyperlink. Note that in some newer versions, this will say link, and when you click on the link, it will say add link. By default, the pop-up will open to link to existing file web page and look in current folder. As we want to use an existing document, we are happy with the link to sections. Click on the arrow in the Browse Look-in box. Scroll until you find the right location or folder. Select the document that you want your hyperlink to connect to and then click OK. You'll notice that the text in our cell has gone light blue and has been underlined. This is the default when a hyperlink has been added. If you don't like the blue text or underline, you can right-click and format text as normal. You will not lose the hyperlink. Don't forget to test your link. To hyperlink to a web page, we will need to pick up the web address. We can do it later or we can do it now. I've decided to do it now. So I'm going to go to the web page, click in the address and just copy. Go to your Excel document and select the cell you want as your starting point. In this example, we are going to use cell A3, ICT tips. Right-click and select Hyperlink. This will bring us back into our hyperlink window. We want a web page, so we can keep the link to section as existing file or web page. Go to the address section at the bottom of the pop-up screen. Paste the web address we previously copied and click OK. As before, we can see that our text has changed to light blue and is underlined. You can change this in formatting, but most importantly, don't forget to test the link. Go to your Excel document and select the cell you want as your starting point. In this example, we are going to use cell A2, to-do list. Right-click and select Hyperlink. Under the Link To section, we need to change it to Place in this document. In the main window, you will see a list of the tabs that you've created in your workbook. Click on the tab you want your hyperlink to go to. In this example, I want my hyperlink to take me to the To-Do List tab. At this point, if all I want to do is go to that other tab, I can click OK. If I want to jump to a specific cell, this could also be in the same tab that we are in. All I need to do is type in the cell reference in this box here. And then finally, click OK. As before, we can see that the text has changed to light blue and is now underlined. Don't forget to test the link. At some point, you may want to change the name or the location of the link. Please note that if you tried to change the name within the cell, the hyperlink will no longer work. Right-click on the link and click on Edit Hyperlink. From here, we can choose a different location or change the name that we display. Once you have made any changes, click OK. And don't forget to test the link. To remove the hyperlink, you quite simply right-click in the cell and select Remove Hyperlink.